Okay, since it is a Crock-Pot Monday, I thought I'd go ahead and use a box cornbread mix. Normally I make it from scratch, but I've got a lot of projects going on today, busy day. So I'm gonna go ahead and trying something new. Then it looks pretty easy. You just need your milk, oil, and egg. You're gonna heat it on 375. And I'm gonna bake it in a little pan, so about 27 to 29 minutes. Okay, go ahead and try it. It's a one-time thing. All right, keep watching. So the box of it, you could use oil or butter, and I went ahead and substituted and add a little bit of unsalted butter. And the consistency is pretty good. Okay, and then I buttered my pan just a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. Okay, that was really easy. It smells so good. I'm excited to try it. And then while that was cooking, I had some collard greens that I picked. Just about done right there. So we're waiting for our crock pot meal, and then dinner will be ready. Keep watching. Just a quick peek at my pork chop stew. Oh, that looks good. Easy crock pot Monday meal. Look at that. So you can just put it all in the crock pot, walk away, come back, and you've got a quick little meal. Not only is it quick, but it's delicious. What are you cooking in your crock pot today? Comment down below. Let me know what are you preparing. I'd love to know. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching. And I made a batch of rice, just in case. So it's got the rice, collard greens, pork stew, and cornbread. Dinner is ready.